Hello and welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate chain of thought prompting. So I have a prompt. We're going to deconstruct it, and I'm going to explain why it will be better if you give a prompt to ChatGPT in the form of steps for it to follow. So let's get into it. So here is the prompt. Starts off by saying, write a cold email to pitch to my social media marketing services or pitch my social media marketing services to a fitness brand and follow the steps. So in here, we assume that we're a digital marketing agency providing social media marketing services, otherwise known as SMMA services. And these are growth services to grow potential brand social media channels across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on and so forth and whatnot. And so there are other prompts or fractions to this prompt, such as stating to start with a friendly introduction, okay? So you can't just go in there, write an email, say, hello, I'm selling such and such service. Let's say that you're selling Facebook follower growth. You can't just say, I can help you grow 10,000 followers. First, you just start with a friendly introduction. In the world of networking, we call it small talk, and that's important for a short paragraph. Then state why I'm reaching out and propose how I can help them improve their social media presence. In this case, we're providing a solution to a problem. Then highlight 2 to 3 key benefits of my services tailored to their business. Here, you can be specific. So you can say, for example, highlight. Here, I'm going to change this. I'm going to say highlight that I can grow their followers exponentially, right? Right. And if you have a brand that you have, let's just say grew followers too, you can say, just like I grew X and X brand. Include a specific call to action to schedule a call and end with a professional closing. So if I hit enter right now, and of course, after this, we're going to sum up with the video, it's going to go ahead and really write something of tremendous power. And so it's writing an email, but not just any email. It's actually writing an email that makes a lot of sense. And it follows the chain of thought prompting strategy. And so I hope that you're kind of getting these little hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.